All right, class, just to get started on lesson 3.4, we're talking about exponential and log equations this time. And our objectives are we're going to solve simple and more complicated exponential and logarithmic equations, and we're going to use exponential and logarithmic equations to model and solve real-life problems. So just as our introduction here, we know that there are two basic strategies for solving exponential and log equations. One way, we talked about both of them. One is that one-to-one property, and the other is the inverse property. So if we look at the next slide here, we can see our one-to-one property. Just remember, it means if we're in exponential form, if we have like bases here, our bases will cancel, and it gives us that the exponents have to be equal. And if we're in log form, as long as we have the same log base A, or same log base, then we can also get rid of those log bases and set what we're taking the logs equal to each other. The inverse property, they wrote a little different this time, but all it's saying is if you have log base A of x is equal to y, we can switch that to a to the y equals x. And remember, we talked about that already as well, where you can bounce back and forth between the two.